DIY. How to make little paper doll dress up.
Baby Harry channel. How to drawing, painting, and coloring. This channel, subscribe, like, and comment. Yay!
Time to coloring. Green. Pink. Yellow. Orange. Pink. Orange. Pink. Pink. Orange. Purple. Pink. Purple. Orange. Time to cutting. Time to play. Dress up number 1. So cute. Dress up number 2. I want to try mix and match dress up. Look. Dress up number 3. Now, I will show all 3 dress up. Which dress up do you think is the cutest? Write in the comments below. Thanks for watching me, and see you the next video.